Welcome back. What's up, everybody? Happy Friday. If you rock with me, if you support me, you know that I've been a Ryobi fan for a long time. Over 50 Ryobi products. Still love Ryobi. This thing is a workhorse. It's a beast. But look at it. It's a beast. And this is actually supposed to be a small impact driver. So I picked that bad boy up. I've always wanted a Milwaukee, but I was like, you know what? I'm gonna go Ryobi because it's cheaper, and I'm just a home DIY guy. But I was like, you know what? My number one tool that I use is the impact driver. Whether it's hanging up TVs, hanging up cabinets for friends or around the house, unscrewing stuff, it's this. And I wanted something smaller. Look at how small it is. This is 1,600 pounds of foot torque for that big old thing. This is 1,500 pounds. And it's a Milwaukee. 2 amp hour, 18 volt, 2 amp hour, 12 volt. So I wanted something that's gonna fit in the hand. Plus I like the release better, look at that. So when you put that in, you gotta pull this forward to set it. You can't just push it in. Versus this, you just set it and forget it. If you want to pull it out, then you got to push that forward. Anyway, I'm going to put those screws into the wood just to see how fast they both go. That's not going to really determine anything. This is not a video of is this better than this or anything like that, which I'm sure it is. This is just letting you know that I'm tired of this bulkiness down here. Look at this battery. This pretty much has the same power as this, but look how compact it is. It fits in the bag a lot better than this does. You have the belt hook thing right there. It's brushless. This is brushed. And yeah, I mean, it's just a lot lighter too. Variable speed, both of them are. But yeah, without further ado, oh, let me show you the battery too. So there that is. Keeping the battery, but I am, like me, I feel guilty when I buy new things. I don't like to stack up on the same material. Plus, I don't have that kind of money to be buying all kinds of stuff 3-4 times. So when I pick up something new like that, that's really cool, I get rid of the old. So that's listed on the Facebook Marketplace right now, just to let you know. But I still have all my other Ryobi tools, still rock with them, still having fun. I have a couple of DeWalt tools as well. And this is my first Milwaukee. So without further ado, let's go ahead and put these screws into the wood and see who wins the race. Doesn't matter if this wins the race, it is a tad stronger on paper. This is convenient, very small. And oh, and let me just go ahead and show you. So when you press that down, look what happens. Get your light. All right, we got that on full torque. This is on full torque. It's actually a lot slower though, I think. This is equivalent to 2, let's see. Slightly slower than 2, but a bit faster than 1. Tad bit. Let's put it on 3. Again, 1,500 pounds of torque and 1,600. Let's see what we got. 1, 2, 3. Wow, not even a comparison. I actually have not used that screw mode, so I'm dying to see what that's about. But first things first, what we're gonna do is we're gonna start off in the one mode, and see what that does. All right, here we go. All right, see, so the 1 setting is not powerful enough to screw it through there. The 1 setting is so you don't strip your product. So if you need to slightly drill it in there, you're not going to overstrip it, so you're not going to make it through the wood on 1. Let's see if we can make it through on 2. I think we can. Sure can. And like I said, let's try that 3 mode. We're going to start a new hole. I can really smell that wood burning. All right, here we go. Now again, you don't have to press it, just hold it. I'm gonna just Very quick, very powerful. Let's start a hole and go with this last setting. All right, we got it in there, so we're in screw mode. Let's see what this does. Okay, so that screw mode, again, is to start off slow and slowly ramp up and then ramp down, but it's for when you need to lightly set something in there and adjust speed. And how much battery have we used? All right, we still have 3 bars left from a 12 volt. 12. I mean, this is not 18 like the Ryobi. It's not 24. It's a small little pocket battery. This thing is more powerful than that. It's also newer, granted, but I mean, look how small it is. That thing is super cool. Many applications. Winner chicken dinner. Link in the description. Link on the screen. Say what's up in the comments. Love chatting with you guys, saying what's going down, and helps me. Small, itty bitty, tiny YouTuber. Helps me to grow. But yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. See you on the next video. Peace.